Hello, we're Group 9, 조준호, 조흥수, 최규현. We're going, Today we're going to talk about Winkler Foundation Team Project. The Winkler Foundation was designed to simplify the analysis of soil behavior when foundation structures, example, beams, slabs, mat foundations are placed on the ground. The key assumption of the Winkler model is that the ground is idealized as a collection of independent vertical springs. In other words, each point beneath the structure is assumed to receive the reaction force of an independent ground spring, and there is no interaction between adjacent springs. At any location under a structure, the reaction force Qx provided by the ground to the structure is proportional to the settlement Wx at that location. Qx는 Kwx. Here K is the ground reaction coefficient, spring constant, Winkler constant, which represents the amount of reaction force acting on a unit area per unit displacement. First advantages, numerical analysis is simple and structure-ground interaction can be quickly approximated, making it widely used in practice. It can be easily combined with various analysis methods such as the finite element method (FEM). The distribution of structure settlement, contact pressure, and moment can be relatively easily calculated. Next is disadvantage. In reality, the soil is a continuous medium, so when a load acts on a single point, it affects adjacent areas as well. However, the Winkler model ignores interactions between springs. Therefore, it cannot properly reflect actual curved settlement, continuous deformation of the soil, or the generation of shear stress. It exhibits rigid body behavior with the limitation that no bending moments or shear forces are generated.
Now I'm going to present our project which involves developing a MATLAB program to analyze a combined footing on an elastic foundation. The goal is to model the foundation as a beam on an elastic foundation and then calculate the following deflection, shear force diagram, bending moment diagram. Since the foundation is supported by soil, we model the soil reaction as a series of springs. The beam is discretized into equal segments and each segment is supported by a spring. This is known as the Winkler foundation model. To solve for deflection, I used the finite difference method to convert the beam's bending behavior into a linear system of equations, which can solve using MATLAB. Step 1. We define the beam and material properties: elastic modulus, moment of interior length, number of segments, and spring constant. Then we find 2-point loads and their location. Step 2 is constructing the matrix. I created a coefficient matrix A using the finite difference method and a load vector B based on position and magnitude of the load. By solving the system A dot B equal B, we obtain the deflection vector Y at each node. Step 3 is calculating the moment and shear. From the deflection values, we calculate the bending moment using the second derivative of deflection. Then we compute the shear force using the derivative of moment. These are approximated numerically using center difference. Now let's look at the plots generated by the program. First, deflection plot show how much the beam sags due to the applied loads, and the largest deflection occurs near the middle. The ends are close to zero due to the boundary condition. Second plot is shear force diagram. Shear force shows sudden jumps at the load point. This matches the expected behavior of internal shear forces in beam theory. Third plot is bending moment diagram. The moment reaches its maximum near the center between the two loads. Negative values indicate downward bending. Finally, conclusion and feature improvement. This method program successfully compute the deflection, shear force, and moment force of beam on an elastic foundation with 2-point load. Thank you for listening.